So here we are, doing the first drive on Red's registered status. And it has done now 42 kilometres. And aside from having the world's worst wheel alignment, which I still need to rectify, everything is going fantastic. It's running really, really well, and it's really responsive, especially when you get up to these kinds of speeds. It's just very happy at the moment. So fellow MB enthusiast Trent at Star and Circle was interested in looking at my 124, so I took it in there for a quick look on the hoist. Immediately we saw the crankcase ventilation system was leaking at the compressor bracket. Unfortunately, the correct gasket is no longer available, so I ended up using the later M104 version, which doesn't fit correctly, but I might have to take that off and put sealant at some stage because there is not really any choice in the matter. Other than that, there's no real leaks to be concerned about. There's some oil that's leaked down from when I changed the filter recently. Transmission is basically completely dry, except for one obscure location. The actual speedo shaft entry has a bit of a leak, nothing major, but that seal was new, which is kind of annoying. Like all of the seals, they were replaced. This cat is basically for decoration only. It is the original, and I know it has melted down on the inside, so it's only there because it has to be there. I have no intention of replacing it, so I don't care that it looks ugly. No concerns at the rear here. I was a bit over enthusiastic with the grease in that inner rubber slip thing that the pinion goes into, and it has spat a bit of it out. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty reasonable. No brake fluid leaks. Everything's still nice and clean. I've probably done about 600 kilometres on this car since the rebuild, and it's still looking pretty clean, fortunately. I guess it won't stay this way for long, unless I only drive on clean roads, and that's not going to happen. All in all, I'm pretty happy with how things are looking. Other than the middle exhaust hanger, Febby brand is already starting to tear. I'm getting the professional to test drive Red for me.
Sounds good.
That's an excellent verdict. Welcome to Perth, where people just pull out in front of you. You have to be careful in these suburban streets. And yeah, I actually did a bit of a wheel alignment in my shed using a straight edge, and that wheel is now bang on. Not bad for someone with no tools for wheel alignments. I'm impressed, even if I do say so myself. Gotta love the sound of an M104.